Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn on predictive text on your Android phone. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. So first, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down until you see General Management and tap on it. Now, go to Samsung Keyboard Settings, then look for the section called Smart Typing, and right under it, you'll find the option Predictive Text. Just switch it on. If you want, you can also enable Auto Replace or suggest text corrections. These options help your keyboard fix typos and predict what you're trying to say, so you can type faster and more accurately. And that's it! Now you know how to turn on predictive text on your Samsung phone.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.